Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to another class of kingdom fungi, that is ascomycetes. These ascomycetes, they are commonly called sac fungi. Sac means they are having a pouch-like or bag-like structure with them. In these ascomycetes, majority of the members, they are multicellular. For example, penicillium, but rarely they are unicellular. For example, yeast. They are saprophytic in nature, means depend on dead or decaying material to complete their requirement of food. They are decomposers, means they are going to break down complex substances into simpler substances. They may be parasitic, means live on or in the body of host, or they are coprophilous, means they are growing on dung till they complete their requirement of food. Mycelium is branched and septate. Septate means a partition that separate the cells of a fungi with them. The asexual spores are conidia, produced exogenously on the special mycelium that is called conidiophores. Conidia on germination that produce mycelium. Sexual pores are ascospores, which are produced endogenously in sac-like or bag-like structure, which is simply called the fruiting bodies or ascocarps. Some examples are Aspergillus, Claviceps, and Neurospora. From this class ascomycetes, Neurospora is usually extensively used in biochemicals and genetic works. Many members of like morels and buffels are edible and are considered delicacies, means they are very much delicious when they are used is in the form of food. Now next we are going to discuss about another class, that is basidiomycetes. Commonly or common forms of basidiomycetes, they are mushroom, bracket fungi, or purple. These are the examples of class basidiomycetes. They grow in soils and logs and tree stumps and in living plant body as parasite, for example rust and smuts. The mycelium is branched and septate. Some common members are Agaricus, Ostiligo, and Puccinia. These are the example of basidiomycetes. Karyogamy and meiosis takes place in the basidium, produce 4 basidiospores. The basidiospores are exogenously produced on the basidium. The basidia are arranged in fruiting body that is called basidiocarps. Examples they are already discussed, like Agaricus, Ostiligo, and Puccinia means rust fungus. Now last class of kingdom fungi, that is deuteromycetes, commonly known as imperfect fungi, because only the asexual or vegetative phases of these fungi are known. When the sexual forms of these fungi were discovered, they were moved into classes they rightly belong to. Means up to now the classification of these type of fungi, that is not confirmed. Some members they are saprophytic or parasitic, because the characteristics of this particular class resembles with the previous classes of kingdom fungi. Some members are saprophytic or parasitic, while a large number of them are decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling. Decomposers of litter means they break down the waste material into simpler form. By this way, they are responsible to maintain the mineral cycle in our surrounding environment. Some of these examples are Alternaria, Coleto, Trichum, and Trichoderma. The mycelium is septate and branched. Some members they are saprophytic or parasitic in form, means they depend on waste material to complete their requirement of